Hi guys, I'm Chef Candice Kumai. I am the author of 7 different cookbooks. This is how you're gonna make simple pumpkin pie pancakes with a side of AG1. Refreshing. It's got pumpkin puree, it's organic, it's from the can, 3 eggs, a little bit of almond milk, a couple cups of my favorite flour, sugar, cinnamon. Cinnamon helps with cognitive function and memory. Pumpkin pie spice, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I use a measuring cup to measure out every single pancake. To top all of my pumpkin pancakes, plum, white peach, I love toasted coconut. And of course it would not be full pancakes without the drip.